Hey, this is Jeremy with Avocadus with a quick life hack for flat file maintenance. So you can see here when you use your files a lot, the metal will actually kind of gum up inside the teeth. Well, a quick way to take care of that is I've got a piece of aluminum siding, a little piece of aluminum and a piece of chalk. So take our flat file, set it flat, and we want to push in line with the teeth. There we go. So real time cleans up the file. Maybe this part right there. And now we have removed that metal from the teeth. Let me just take our chalk and work it in there. It'll make it easier to get it out next time. That's it.